Good morning, students. Last class I told about different types of trigonometric identities. At the same time, I gave proofs to all these trigonometric identities, and also which types of formulas will get for one trigonometric function in other trigonometric functions. That is, for example, you can take one trigonometric identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In this case, for sine, which type of formulas you will get in terms of cos, and for cos, in terms of sine, which types of formulas will get. Similarly, in the same way, in case of remaining two identities, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. For this also, we have taken different types of formulas. For secant in terms of tan, and for tan in terms of secant. We have taken so many formulas, and we collected these types of formulas from the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. The last third identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. For this also I told proof. Even we have taken and we derived so many formulas for cosecant in terms of cot, and for cot in terms of cosecant. Like that, we have derived different types of formulas with respect to the identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Based on those formulas and based on the trigonometry functions and based on reciprocal of trigonometry functions, we are going to solving a simple problems today. That's what today I am going to starting the problems on trigonometric functions. First question is, these are all the problems are belonging to proving conditions. How to prove LHS to RHS. Now the first question for this question is, prove that 1 minus cos square theta 1 minus cos square theta into cosecant square theta is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. We have to give proof here. 1 minus cos square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to 1. Take LHS. Solution for this question is, consider left hand side parts. Consider left hand side part here. LHS is 1 minus cos square theta into cosecant square theta here is equal to, already we knew about the first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We have to apply this solution. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Send cos that side, it becomes sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. That's what. Instead of 1 minus cos square theta, we can write here sin square theta. In the place of 1 minus cos square, we got sin square theta. Even I told this in the list of formulas also. Otherwise, just if you can collect from the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that identity, we can write in place of 1 minus cos square theta is the sin square theta. Cosecant is reciprocal of sin theta. Cosecant theta is equal to, here we can write 1 by sin theta. that is cosecant square is there, that's what it becomes 1 by sine square theta here. And now both are gets cancelled, is equal to 1 here, is equal to right hand side part. RH is nothing but here right hand side part. Therefore we can write here 1 minus cos square theta into cosecant square theta is equal to 1 here. ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಂಟು ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಆ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಲಿದ್ದ ನಮಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಥವಾ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಈ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಅದು ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ cosecant square theta means 1 by sin square. Then both are gets cancelled. Finally, you are getting answer is 1. That is equal to right hand side parts. Therefore, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta into cosecant square theta is equal to 1. This is the solution for the first question. That's why better use that formulas from trigonometric identities. At the same time, we used here reciprocal of trigonometric functions also. That's what based on those only I am going to solving simple problems here. Because by that, in this way, if you can solve these types of questions, then trigonometry will come very easy. To get easy only, we are going to solving simple problems from the trigonometric functions. At the same time, by applying with help of the formulas of reciprocals of trigonometric functions and trigonometric identities here. Let us now we are going to starting that the second question. Prove that second question. Prove that tan alpha into square root of 1 minus sin square alpha is equal to sin alpha. Tan alpha into square root of 1 minus sin square alpha is equal to sin alpha. Solution for this question is, consider left hand side parts. Considered left hand side part. Left hand side part is tan alpha into square root of 1 minus sin square alpha. In this case also, like all these questions, we must take left hand side part. To that, to giving the proof to the left hand side, finally you should get RHS parts. The RHS part means already they gave, that part you must and should get here. ಇಂಥ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ tan alpha as it is, but on giving solution to this part, finally you should get answer is sine alpha. Let us now, we are going to checking on solving this, we are getting sine alpha or not. See here, sine alpha, tan alpha. Instead of this, I am going to writing cos square alpha. How means? For that, I am going to writing the formula here. Already I told you sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sine square send that side. Then cos square theta is equal to, we can write 1 minus sine square theta. This formula here we have to apply. That's why in place of 1 minus sine square alpha, I have written cos square alpha. Next, tan alpha can be written as in terms of sine and cos, sine alpha whole dividing by cos alpha into square root square gets cancelled cos alpha. Now cos gets cancelled is equal to sine alpha. That is equal to right hand side part. Therefore we can write tan alpha into square root of 1 minus sine square alpha is equal to sine alpha. That we give solution for this question. Maybe rising doubt, how we are going to knowing for tan sine alpha by cos alpha, 1 minus sine square alpha as cos square alpha means, because at the right hand side of this question sine alpha is there. That's what, try to convert left hand side in terms of sine only. To convert in terms of sine, what we should do about that, you have to think here. That's what here in place of tan I have written here sine alpha by cos alpha. At the same time, at the side of that, on solution, on solving of the second term is cos alpha, and both are gets cancelled, and finally we are getting the answer is sine alpha. Therefore we can write tan alpha into square root of 1 minus sine square alpha is equal to sine alpha. It's the solution for the second question. Let us now, we are going to solving that third question also. Next, third question. Prove that 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to tan square theta here. Is equal to tan square theta. Same for this also. We are going to giving the answer of RHS part with help of left hand side part. Now we considered left hand side part here. Solution for this question is consider left hand side parts. 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, instead of 1 minus cos square means, here what we should write instead of 1 minus cos square and what we should write instead of 1 plus tan square means, here we have to use two trigonometric identities here. Number one is Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 here. Next means sine cos that side, we can write here sine square theta is equal to here 1 minus cos square theta. It is the one part, that is the one formula we got from trigonometric identity. But instead of 1 plus tan square, what we should write? About that here you have to think. Say here secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta is equal to sin minus tan square theta that side. It becomes 1 plus tan square theta here. That means instead of 1 plus tan square, we should write here secant square. Instead of 1 minus cos square, we should write sin square theta here. We have to collect these two formulas from the given two trigonometric identities. ಈ 1 minus cos square theta place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು, 1 plus tan square theta place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಈ 1 minus cos square theta place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ಲಿದ್ದ 1 plus tan square theta place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಬಗಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಬರೆದು ಆ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೋಡ್ರೆ 1 minus cos square theta place is here sin square theta into 1 plus tan square theta place is the secant square theta is equal to sin square theta into, for secant, reciprocal of which function is secant? Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. I have to apply this formula here. That's what here 1 by cos theta whole square is there as it is, that is equal to sin square theta into 1 square is 1 dividing by cos square theta. Afterwards here I am going to writing here is equal to sin square by cos square becomes, that is sin square theta into 1 sin square theta dividing by cos square theta. Sin square by cos square becomes tan theta, that is a tan square theta. Even I applied tan theta formula is, what is the tan theta formula in terms of sin and cos is sin theta dividing by cos theta. I applied this formula also. By solving like this, by solving or by giving solution like this, at the same time at the side of that, if you can write some concepts, reasons, causes, means different types of formulas, like that if you can prepare trigonometry, it will become very easy to you. That's what, to each and every solution I am going to writing causes at the side of its solution. ಇದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡುವ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕಾಸಸ್ಸು, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಸು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸು, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಸು, ಕಾಸಸ್ಸು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, that is we are going to giving one more question for this. Next one, Maurice. Prove that secant power 4 minus 1. Prove that secant power 4 minus 1 is equal to 2 tan square alpha 2 tan square alpha plus here yes secant square alpha minus 1 2 tan square alpha plus tan power 4 alpha here. Tan power 4 alpha here. See here. Take LHS part. Solution for this question is consider left hand side parts. Consider left hand side part here. Secant power 4 alpha minus 1 is equal to, it can be written as secant power 4 can be written as secant square alpha whole square minus 1 can be written as 1 square. I considered here left hand side part secant power 4 alpha minus 1 here. 4 is there, power can be written as square of whole square because a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. According to that formula 2 to the 4 and again you will get 4 here. Left hand side part alli secant power 4 alpha minus 1 ಇದೆ. Secant power 4 ನಾವು 2 of whole square ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 2 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಸಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ e to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. At the same time, after completion of this step, you have to apply one of the algebraic formula a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. A square minus, see here at the side of this I am going to writing all types of formulas here. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b here. See here, secant alpha minus 1 secant square alpha minus 1 into secant square alpha plus 1 here. Instead of secant square alpha minus 1, what we should write here? About that here we have to think. See here, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. I told this identity. Already I told this identity. From this identity only we are going to collecting two types of formulas for this solution. How means? Send one this side, send one this side and send tan that side. It becomes secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta here. It is one formula. And again take this identity only. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 now. Send minus tan to that side. It becomes secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. We are going to using these types of formulas for this solution. Secant square alpha minus 1 is there. That's what instead of this I am going to writing tan square alpha because from this identity we collected formula of tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1. ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ secant square alpha minus 1 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ tan square alpha ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ tan square thetaಗೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ tan square alpha ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಂಟು In place of secant square is 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square alpha additional plus 1 as it is equal to tan square alpha into 1 plus 1 is 2 plus remaining is tan square alpha. Multiply tan square alpha with these two terms because between these two product is there. 2 tan square alpha plus tan square to tan square is tan power 4 alpha. It is the right hand side part. Therefore, we can write here secant power 4 alpha minus 1 is equal to 2 tan square alpha plus tan power 4 alpha. The answer. For all this, what we need formulas about all those I have written at the side of this solution. That's why to each and every problem I am going to writing causes. Causes nothing but formulas. Formulas nothing but which types of formulas we need to that solution. I am going to writing about them only there. By writing that, if you can see that solution, easily we can analyze about this by seeing those causes. The ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಾನು ಅದು ಸೈಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಕಾರಣಗಳನ್ನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು, ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಕಾಸಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗುವ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಸಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಸ್, ಅದು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Like this is the solution for this question. When you are going to prepare in the solution of all these types of questions, better see that at the side of what I have written formulas and what I have written causes. If you can prepare like that, then definitely I am telling sure that trigonometry will become very easy to you. Will become very easy to you, sure. Next, let us we are going to solving that one more question here. Next question is tan square theta. Prove that tan square theta minus cot square theta is equal to secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Secant square theta minus cosecant square theta here. Now let us we are going to giving a proof to RHS with help of left hand side part here. The solution for this question is considered left hand side parts. Considered left hand side part here, that is tan square theta minus cot square theta here. Same here also we are going to using two types of trigonometric identities. One is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That is send 1 this side, send tan that side, becomes secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. It is the one formula here. Another one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Send minus cot square that side, 1 this side. That is cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square. Here we are going to using these types of formulas. ಈ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಕಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಸ್ ನಾವು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ we can write in place of tan square, what we can write in place of cot square, we are collecting those two types of formulas from the given two identities. Now according to that, instead of tan square theta we can write here secant square theta minus 1. That's what in place of this I am going to writing here secant square theta minus 1 minus of, in place of cot square also cosecant square theta minus 1. Why I am writing these formulas means because they are asking in terms of secant and cosecant. In terms of secant and cosecant. That's what already I told. Relations between tan and secant, what are they? Relations between cosecant and cot, what are they? That's what I am using those two types of formulas from the given two identities here. Now secant square theta minus 1, open the bracket with help of minus here because minus half is there. Minus half is there means then all symbols will be changed here. Plus become minus, minus cosecant square theta. Next minus to minus becomes plus 1. Here already minus 1 is there, both are gets cancelled. That's what the final answer is. We can write here secant square minus cosecant square theta is equal to RHS parts. Therefore we can write here therefore tan square theta minus cot square theta is equal to secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. It is the formula. Like that today I have given different types of problems on trigonometric identities, and I told some proving conditions. Whenever prove, that means with help of LHS we should give the proof for RHS. Like that today I solved two different types of problems. To all these problems have taken LHS, on proving that we got RHS part. At the same time, to all the solutions I use some different types of formulas. That means at the side of solutions also I have written causes and formulas. Tomorrow also we will solve some different types of problems. That is on next class I will solve different types of problems on trigonometric identities. Thank you very much.